You're doing your colors all wrong in VRoid. There is multiple ways to change the color of textures and assets in VRoid Studio. The first and most common way is to simply use the color editor in the texture editor. While this will do the job for most people, if you have some more complicated custom clothes with multiple layers, the color will be applied across everything. And this brings me to the second method, which is to recolor textures in a different program. This can be done by disabling the color and shade options, then exporting the textures and importing them into an art program such as Photoshop, GIMP, Microsoft Paint, or any other art program that has some more tools. The best tool for recoloring textures is the hue and saturation level editor and the colorize tool. You can use multiple layers to add different effects like a gradient overlay, which can't be done in VRoid. This is not the only other method of coloring your model, however, which brings me to the last method, which is to edit the VRM of your completed model in another 3D model program such as Blender or Unity. Personally, I've used Unity, which is how I created the outlines on my model to have this neon green glow. And also the VTubing software I use, Face, is built using Unity, which can allow for some extra features, which will be covered in another video. Subscribe for more VRoid tutorials, tips, and tricks. Check out my booth shop for my new Cyberpunk Edge Runners jacket, as well as some other new items. Click here for another VRoid tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.